Hi teachers, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use VocabVictor Classroom step by step. So this is the home page of the classroom, and we need to go to schools page first because school helps organize classes and teachers. So let's create a school here. Let's click right button here, the new button, and we just need to write down our school name. Let's say International High School. And we chose our country already, and we need to add a contact email. And then we just need to click Save. And then a classroom is created. After creating a school, we need to create our class. Let's go to the classes page, and we also need to click the new button on the right side. Now we need to choose a school. Let's choose International High School here. And then we can create a class name. Let's say General Vocabulary. We can also write down some short description and the long description. Lastly, we click Save here. Now we successfully created our class. After creating school and class, we need students to join our class. So let's go to the students page here. And we also need to click the button on the right side. Now we need to write down our students' email. We can also write down some personalized message here. So then we click Send. So the email is sent to students' mailbox. And yeah, let's see. So we click into the email here, and we can see there are two ways to join in the classroom. The first way is to use the code here directly, and we can just enter this code in VocabVictor app. The second way is that we can just scan the QR code here so that we can join the class directly. Okay, so I just opened VocabVictor with a student account. We need to go to the profile page first. And then we need to click Join Class. So lastly, we just need to enter our classroom code that was received from the email. And then we just need to click OK. Then the student can join the class. So I just entered the code in my VocabVictor app, and you can see that there's a success notice saying that you have been added to general vocabulary. Now we go back to the classroom page, and then we refresh the page. We can see that a student is invited into the classroom. So that's the procedure of inviting students to our class. After inviting your students, we can see that there's no word list here. So it's time to create our own word list. Now we can go to word list page. And there are two ways to add your word list. The first one is that you can just type in your words in this section. The second way is to use our existing word list. Those word lists are in the Discovery button here. So we just click the Discovery button, and there are like a bunch of different type of word lists which are all being categorized. So now we click the New General Service list. There are different lists in this section, and we can just click Copy List here. So we click Yes here. And then a word list is being added. Let's go back to the word list page, and there is one word list here. Now we need to assign our word list to students. Let's click Add Assignments here. And then we click the button on the right side. And then we click here, Assign this list to student, and we click Save. So now we can see that the student has been assigned the word list New General Service list number 1. So after your student playing games for several times in Vocab Victor app, we can see a leaderboard. And the leaderboard will show your students' position, rank, and the words they learned. We can also go to the students page to check students' progress. Now we go to the students page and we click the icon here. So we can see that how many words students have learned and how many words students have seen. Now we can also click the word list. And now we can see how many percentage each word has been learned by the student. Thank you for watching this tutorial video and hope you enjoy playing Vocab Victor games and using Vocab Victor Classroom.